Introduction to Smart Substitutions.
Want to make your meals healthier without sacrificing taste? Small tweaks to your usual recipes can make a big difference. By swapping everyday ingredients for smarter alternatives, you can boost nutrition while still enjoying your favorite dishes. Let's explore practical and easy swaps for a healthier plate, starting with some of the basics you'd find in most kitchens.
Healthier flour and grain choices.
Upgrade white flour with whole grain options. Switching to whole wheat flour, oat flour, or almond flour boosts fiber and nutrients while lowering the glycemic impact. For rice or pasta, try brown rice, quinoa, or lentil-based alternatives. These provide more vitamins, minerals, and protein, helping you feel full longer and supporting better digestion.
Better fats and oils.
Rethink your fats for heart health. Replace butter or shortening with olive oil, avocado oil, or even unsweetened applesauce in baking. These options provide healthy fats, antioxidants, and fewer saturated fats. For spreads, try hummus or smashed avocado instead of margarine or mayo. Your heart and waistline will thank you.
Simpler sugar swaps.
Cut back on sugar without missing sweetness. Instead of white sugar, try using pureed fruit like bananas or dates, especially in baking. Honey or maple syrup offer a natural alternative, but use sparingly. For drinks or cereals, add cinnamon or vanilla to enhance flavor without added sugar. These strategies help control cravings and support steady energy.
Refreshing dairy alternatives.
Explore new options for milk and cheese. Substitute whole milk with unsweetened almond, soy, or oat milk, reducing calories and saturated fat. Use Greek yogurt in place of sour cream or heavy cream for a creamy texture with extra protein. For cheese, try nutritional yeast or low-fat varieties, delicious and lighter on your body.
Balancing sodium and flavor.
Lower sodium with simple swaps. Use fresh herbs, citrus juice, or spices instead of salt to add big flavor without the extra sodium. Swap out canned vegetables for fresh or frozen, or choose reduced sodium versions. Making your own salad dressings or sauces can also help you control salt and enhance taste naturally.
Conclusion: making substitutions work for you.
Healthy swaps can fit any lifestyle. Start by choosing 1 or 2 substitution ideas and try them in your favorite recipes. Over time, these small changes add up to big health benefits. Eating better doesn't have to be complicated, just smarter. Give these easy swaps a try and see how delicious healthier choices can be.